Hello, Guezzin members. In today's lesson, we're going to learn what a candlestick or candle is. A candle is a visual representation of a specific asset's price movement, commonly known as price action. We'll learn more about assets and price action in future lessons. For now, let's just focus on what makes up a candle. A candle is made up of 6 parts: a color, the opening price, the high, the low, the closing price, and the body. The color identifies whether the candle is moving up, referred to as bullish, or moving down, referred to as bearish. Most common colors are green for bullish and red for bearish. The opening price is the price that particular candle opened at. The high is the highest price point it reached. The low is the lowest price point. The closing price is the price it closed at. And the body is the area between the opening price and the closing price. A green candle will have an opening price that is lower than the closing price, and a red candle will have an opening price that is higher than the closing price. The high and low form what appear to be wicks, making it look like a candle. If the opening and or closing price are the same as the high and or low, then you will not see a wick or just one wick at the top or bottom. Finally, a candle represents a period of time. These periods can range from as little as 1 second to as high as 1 month, with some platforms offering even higher time frames. For example, a 5-minute candle is the price action during that 5-minute period, and a 1-hour candle is the price action for that particular hour. And now you know what a candlestick or candle is and are ready to move on to the next lesson. Thank you for watching.